If you have never bought domain and hosting in your entire life, this is the best video you ever watch today, because in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to purchase domain and hosting for your online store using Namecheap. That's one of the cheapest domain and hosting providers you can ever see on the internet. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If these are things you like or you want to sell online, this is the best channel you can subscribe to. Let's get right into it. So to purchase domain for your online store or for any website project you want to do, you just want to come to your browser and type something I'm going to show you now. But before then, please do not just go to your web browser and type Namecheap or hosting or whatever company you want to use. Don't do that. If you do that, they will not give you a discount and you're not going to get anything. So the best way to purchase domain and hosting is to go through someone's affiliate link. That way you'll be able to get any discount offer they are offering at that moment. In most cases, they will give you a coupon code to use. All right, so that is the best way. So here now, you just want to come to your browser and type faithamole.com/Namecheap. So if you're using this link, you're automatically using my own link, and I will put it in the description of this video so that you can click on it, or you just come straight to your browser and type www.faithamole.com/Namecheap. So it's going to take you to Namecheap's page where you will continue with your domain purchase. So as a beginner, the first thing you have to do here is to make sure you check the availability of the domain you're going to use. You know that domain is just your web address on the internet, and two persons cannot use the same address. So you want to be sure that the domain you're using is free. So I'm going to type faithamole here. So it's going to show me if it is available, and it's going to show me the different domain extensions that are available at the moment. I'm going to do that right away. As you can see here, let's wait for it to load. It's going to show us the available domain names or domain name extensions here. As you can see, .com is taken because that is my domain. Of course, I have already used the .com. I'm going to look for another extension to buy. I can decide to go for .com, .store, .tech, .io, or whatever you want. For now, I'm going to go for .store. So I'm going to click on it, click on add to cart. Now that I've chosen domain, as a beginner, you want to add web hosting to it, not WordPress managed hosting. Web hosting is different from WordPress managed hosting. So if you choose managed hosting, it means they're going to manage your hosting for you. We're going to go for web hosting. As soon as you add web hosting to it, just click on add to cart. This icon here is add to cart. The next thing you want to add to your cart as well is SSL. If you look at this web browser here, if you click here, you can see this is a secure connection, or it says the connection is secure. It simply means that the information people are putting on your website is secure, and that is the way to boost your website trust. So people want to buy from websites that are secure, and you want to make sure yours is secure. Or you can decide to add any other thing here, but these things are less important for a beginner. You just want domain, web hosting, and SSL. All right, so let me quickly add this, but I'm not going to add it now because I already have hosting with Namecheap. What I'm going to do now is just, as you can see, as I added more items to cart, it's actually giving me this. So I'm going to click on view to cart, or you can go straight to checkout. I want to review what we have added to the cart. Let me quickly go to checkout so that I can show you other important things you need to do when you're purchasing domain, because any mistake you make may not be reversible. The first thing you have to be sure is that the domain extension you have chosen is correct. Then it is in years. All right, so you can choose 5 years. If you check here now, the price here will change. That is that. Though I'm going to go for 1 year. For you, you can choose .com depending on what you want to do. Please pay attention to this place. You need to check the stellar hosting if you're buying hosting alongside. So you just want to make sure your hosting is not a month, because if it is a month, the next month is going to expire, and that is not good. You just want to make sure it is in year. At least 1 year is okay. You can go for 2 years as well. So for now, I'm keeping it to 1 year, even though I'm not adding hosting to this particular purchase. And check your SSL. You can host for as long as 5 years. It's optional. You can choose 1 year. So for now, I'm going to remove this one and this one and leave hosting. I just want to show you how to add these things to cart. As soon as this is done, so the next thing we're going to do is, if you have a coupon code here, you can, let's say you have a coupon code like newcom. There is this, their regular com 68. All right, so you can decide to add it, but at the moment I don't think that we apply. You can see error, this coupon has expired. So but if coupon is available, you add it to the cart. The next thing we're going to do now is to confirm our order. So I just want to click on confirm order. By the time you have checked everything you're purchasing and they are intact, the next thing you have to do is just to confirm your account details. Add every detail you need to add here. I'm going to add my details here. I'm going to add my details here. I'm not in United States, I'm in Nigeria, my country. You have to make sure you're giving them your accurate information, please. So I'm going to choose my country. I'm going to choose my number here, +234. Okay, that's my country code. What else is remaining? Okay, company name. Add this here. So make sure you fill in every detail needed. So the zip code is sure you add your zip code and everything. This company name is optional. You can decide to let me put something. You can decide to put anything you want. You click on what continue here, or you just come here and click continue. Let's get right into it. I don't want to save my details. It has come to this place where we are going to review all that we are purchasing here. So you just want to be sure everything here associates this domain and enable, at the time of purchase recommended. So you can decide to save whatever you have here. Just cross check if your details are correct. If they are correct, click on continue. It's going to take us to the purchasing page. I have a video on this channel that talks about how to purchase domain and hosting on Hostinger. I also have a video here that talks about how to get a free .com domain from Hostinger. Please, you can watch that video and I will add the link to that video to the description of this video as well, so that you can decide which one to go for. If you are deciding to go for Hostinger, you can get a free .com domain. If you are going for Namecheap, you are getting a free domain if you are not buying .com domain and if you're purchasing hosting alongside. So you have to make that choice for yourself. And I have another video on this channel that talks about how to get free domain from Namecheap. So I have these videos on this channel. Please make sure you go through my channel and watch all those videos. So I'm going to add my payment details here. I'm going to add my card details. So what we'll do now is I will pause this video, add my payment details, and we'll come back to it. As you can see, I've added my payment details. If you have PayPal, you can use PayPal to fund the account. If you want to fund with crypto, you can first of all transfer crypto using BTS. If you want me to do a video on how to use crypto to purchase domain and hosting on Namecheap, just type it in the comment section and I will do that video teaching you how to do that. There was a time I bought hosting with Namecheap and I used crypto, so you can just fund direct, then you can use that account funds to also renew, but I just used my card to make payment. Next thing you have to do is just to come here and make sure you check this. Is if you want to renew all your services, if you want to put them on auto renewal or automatically renew them, you can check this box here, but I'm not going to do that. Domain registration is there. Then you have this free domain privacy is there. I've already done that. If you want to save all of this, you can save them, but I don't want to do that. So I click on continue. Either you click here or you click here, however you want it. Let's go right into it to make payment for this particular domain. You wait for it. So let's view the changes once more. Okay, so we want to review the changes we made. This is 1 year domain and whole domain. This is my card. These are my details. So the next thing I have to do is just to click on pay now. So let me click on pay now and wait for it. Okay, as you can see, thank you for purchase. It means that we have been able to purchase this domain here. Congratulations to us. That's not all. So the next thing you have to do is just to check your email, all right, because Namecheap is going to send you an email to the particular email you used to purchase or create this account. You have to verify your contacts to go ahead. As you can see, let's see what Namecheap has sent to us. So it has sent the receipt to us. It has sent this receipt to us, but then they are going to send you another email to verify your domain within a stipulated amount of time, either within 14 days or before 7 days. You have to do that right away as soon as that email arrives. Let me refresh my email to see if that one will arrive, but if it doesn't arrive immediately, just give it some time. Know that you're supposed to verify, and then they're going to send you details about your order. That is that on how to purchase domain and hosting. Just like I said before, if you want to know how to get free.com domain using Hostinja, I have a video on this channel and I will link it in the description below, and then make sure you use the link in the description of this video to get a discount for yourself. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on this particular hosting, and then we'll build a website for ourselves. We're going to learn how to build professional websites with WordPress and WooCommerce on this channel. It is beginner friendly. Everything I'm doing here is for beginners. So see you in my next video.